Namaste student, myself David Anshika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. My subject is Basic of Bioscience Lab, and today's session is to study of osmosis by potato osmoscope. In this we have two objectives: setting up of potato osmoscope and observation of osmosis. So our aim is to study osmosis by potato osmoscope. So principle is osmosis is the process in which solvent molecule moves through a semi-permeable membrane from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration until the amount of fluid is equalized on both sides of the semi-permeable membrane. The fluid that passes through the semi-permeable membrane is known as the solvent, while the dissolved substance in the fluid is known as the solute. The mixture of the solvent and solute makes up the solution. So this is the principle. And now what are the materials required for this practical? So in this, a large potato without peel and petri dish, tile, 20% or sugar solution, pins, knife, then next is distilled water. All these materials are required for this experiment. Now procedure is what? Uh, First step is place the peeled potato on the tile and using the knife cut both ends of the potato to make it flat. Then use the knife to make a cavity at the center of the potato from one of the flat side almost up to the bottom. Then pour distilled water into the petri dish until it is half full. Then now place the potato in the petri dish. Then fill half the cavity made in the potato with 20% sugar solution. Then mark the level of sugar solution in the cavity using a pin. Then the potato now functions as an osmometer. After that, leave the osmometer distributed for about 2 hours. Then mark the rise of the level of the sugar solution in the cavity with another pin. So, what are the precautions we have to take in this practical? First is the cavity should be deep enough to keep only a thin layer of tissue at the base of the potato. And the sugar solution should be of sufficiently high osmotic concentration as compared to the cell sap of the potato. So this is the all procedure and precautions of this potato osmoscope practical. So this is all about this practical. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. I will resolve it. Thank you.